Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about a face wash and a toner that I have been loving to use. I am talking about the Moms Co Natural Green Tea Face Wash and the Moms Co Natural Green Tea Face Toner. These two have been absolute gems to me, and I wanted to share my in-depth review with all of you guys so that you can try it out if you like it. So if you guys are interested in watching the in-depth review of these two gems over here, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to talk about the face wash. This is the Moms Co Natural Green Tea Face Wash with aloe vera and willow herb. This is specifically for oil control. It promises to gently cleanse and control acne. Now, this is a 100 ml tube. Now this tube over here is very travel friendly. I would say you can tell by the packaging. You can simply dump it in your bag and it will be good to go even if you are traveling somewhere. This has a lot of amazing benefits. Firstly, I would say that this one is free from any harmful chemicals. It's also paraben free, it's silicone free, it's mineral oil free, and it has no SLS or SLES. Now let's talk about what it claims. This one says that it can gently remove dirt and oil and daily buildup without dehydrating and leaving the skin feeling tight. Green tea and niacinamide can remove excess oil. Aloe vera can soothe and willow herb will help to control acne. Overall, this will help in making the skin deeply cleansed and more radiant, also mattified and shine free. So I am someone who has extremely oily skin, and this one I have been using and I love the effects that it gives me on my skin. This one has amazing ingredients such as purified water, aloe vera leaf juice, glycerin, green tea leaf extracts, witch hazel leaf extract, willow herb leaf extract, thyme extracts, all these beautiful ingredients which will help and work wonders for your skin. Applying this is also very easy, like any other face wash. So you just wet your face, you apply a small amount of this product and gently massage all over your face in circular motions, and then you can rinse and pat dry. So for best results, you should use it twice daily, and which I completely do. I swear by. I use it right in the morning after I wake up. And also I use it every day at night when I come back from office. I completely remove whatever makeup I have, and every day I make sure that I wash my face with this, and then I go on with my moisturizer and toner. So prolonged use of this daily 2 times has really helped me in curbing my excess oil. My skin also feels very healthy, but it does not really feel dry or very tight, all that bad stuff. So I'm going to highly recommend this face wash from Moms Co. Moving on to another product from Moms Co, which I really loved. It is the Natural Green Tea Face Toner. This one has aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. Again, this is a 100 ml bottle, and this one retails for rupees 226, very moderately and reasonably priced. Very sleek packaging, travel friendly, convenient to use. You can again dump it in your bag and you will be good to go anywhere. The product is completely SLS free, paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free, all the bad toxics free basically. Now this one helps in balancing the oil and tightening your pores, and the smell is also very refreshing. I really feel like using it right now, so let me just go on with the spritz. So the smell of this instantly, energizes me and instantly awakens me. So I can just apply it like this and wait for it to dry. Or you can also take a cotton pad, spray it nicely in the cotton pad and just pat it on your face. You can also use it that way, but right now I smelled it and I really felt like using it right now. This one again has beautiful ingredients. It has purified water, green tea leaf extract, cucumber extract, apple cider vinegar, glycerin, aloe vera extract, orange extract, lemon extract, all these beautiful ingredients which will help to give your skin a natural glowing feel, and will also help your skin to tighten the pores. So the green tea extract present in it will help to regulate the sebum production and will also help in soothing your skin. Next, it has apple cider vinegar, which will help to balance the skin's pH level and control acne causing bacteria. It also has natural plant AHS, which will help to gently exfoliate and tighten your pores. Finally, it has aloe vera and cucumber, which will help to soothe and hydrate your skin. That was all for my review for these two products from the Moms Co. If you have liked these products, then you can check my description box down below. All the necessary links are mentioned. Click them and you will know all the details. If you have liked watching this video, do give me a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. If you like watching me and my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever my channel has a new upload. And if you're not following me on Insta, then you are missing out on so much. I post so many exclusive content just for Insta, which is not here on YouTube. So make sure you go and follow me on Insta. My handle is @mysticalimrain, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.